Hey, virtual PE kiddos. How's it going? Yes, I'm a day late. Admit it. Got caught up. Here we are though, okay? This week we are moving on to PE and nutrition. Okay, so we're done with the components of fitness. Now we're going to take a look at your exercise and how well are we doing eating and pairing the two of them. Because working those two in combo, in tandem, will show better results and improve your health and well-being overall. So you've got a new folder to go to. I've made it green, Unit 3, PE and Nutrition. Click on that. First week 1 of PE and Nutrition. There is your pacing guide. A couple links to hit, a couple things to read, doing your physical activity. Take care of all that. Let me scroll down this way. There's your activity log, and there is your assessment piece. The assessment piece this week, I would like to see full paragraphs about each of the 5 topics when you click on the first one. You're assessing yourself with how you're doing with each one of these little areas, these 5 tips. So I want you reading each of them. I want you truly assessing yourself, like how are you doing with those tips? Really simple, easy, manageable tips to improve and do better around getting healthy, nutritious meals in and keeping moving. Okay, so I want you to look at it as something kind of fun, and improving yourself, improving goals you have, and improving your overall well-being for the future. Okay. So take a look at that. Think about what goals you do have with yourself, or incorporating food into the equation of being healthy. And that's it. Okay. So a couple weeks on nutrition we'll be doing. Realistically, we only have maybe 4.5, 5 more weeks together. So it's coming to the end. So make sure you're getting missing work in, late work in, all that stuff is getting turned in. I keep putting in the orange circles if something's missing, so make sure you're erasing those orange circles, and I will keep putting in grades and such. If you're struggling or having any problems or your grade's not where you want it to be, that's where you shoot me an email and come chat with me on Friday if you need me during office hours. Okay, so let me know if that's something you need help with. So obviously easily right through school, just shoot me an email and then we can be in contact. Okay. So let's get on top of everything. Check your grades in all your other classes too. Before going on break, make sure everything's where you want it to be, because after break it's going to be super fast, finishing up the semester. So make sure you're getting everything together now. Okay. So that's a little life lesson, not just nutrition and PE stuff. So, all right, keep working out, keep eating healthy, keep up with your work. If you need anything, reach out, and have a great week. All right, I'll be back next Monday, I hope. So take care, and I'll see you soon.